Hi friends, welcome back for another video. Now I happen to be in the middle of a pretty massive project at the moment, and something just sort of came over me this week where I decided that I really wanted to tackle building something for myself. I've been doing a lot of custom client work lately, which has been great, but every now and then I just sort of get this itch where I just want to build something for myself. Maybe that's me being super selfish, I don't know, but I got that itch this week and I decided that I'm gonna take a day and I'm gonna build something for myself, and that happened to be this nice cedar planter box for my front porch here. So I really like the look of this particular planter box. I like the tapered design. This entire thing was made out of 5 cedar fence pickets, so that made it pretty affordable as well. I built this entire thing in a day. That's including finish. I've actually built 3 of these things now. This one here, and then I built 2 more for my parents' house. This was all made out of actually leftover cedar fence board that I used for that trash can storage bin that I built for them about a year ago. If you haven't seen that video already, that's a fun video. I'll leave a link to it so you can go and check that out. I happened to stumble across this design from a fellow YouTuber that I subscribe to. His channel's name is John Builds It, and he put out a video recently where he shows you how you can build one of these planter boxes. He also has some great free plans on his website that I downloaded to help speed up this process. I have to say that those plans were very easy to follow for, I'd say, your average woodworker. That made this build go even quicker. I wasn't originally going to film a video of this build. I thought I'd just get in the shop and get to work, but I figured since I'm building it, I might as well turn the camera on, and maybe some of you would enjoy just watching me have fun in the shop building something. I'm gonna do things a little bit differently for this video though. I'm not gonna do a lot of voiceover or a lot of talking. If you're looking for some more of that really good instructional material, then I would recommend that you go and check out his video. It has a lot of great tips and tricks for building this planter box. I will leave a link to that video so you can go and check that out if you need to. Also consider downloading those free plans of his because those were very helpful for putting this thing together. So anyways, this is just going to be a video of me building in the shop, and if that's something you think you would enjoy, then stick around and watch me build.